To perform a first setup on iRobot Roomba 505 Plus, first of all we'll need to download an app for our robot. So the name is Roomba Home. While I'll be looking for the app, I will show you right here what you need to do with your robot. So remove any packaging from it and then find this app. It's literally called Roomba Home, and when you install it, open the app. Now you will need to make sure that your robot is connected to the charging station, and charging station is connected to the power and also has a Wi-Fi signal, which means you need to be at the charging station along with the robot needs to be in the range of your Wi-Fi. When you have that, everything go into that app, click on Add Robot, and then after a moment it should be found. Click on Add Robot. Select the Wi-Fi that you want to use. In this case, I'm gonna stick to this one right here. And then we need to enter a password for that Wi-Fi. I'm gonna do it off screen. Okay, and now we need to press robot power button to connect it to your phone, which means you need to grab your robot, find the power button, which is next to the home button on the robot. I will try to show you that right here, above my finger. So the setup is basically done. All that it's left is to choose the name for your new Roomba and then save it. Now we can move to the next step, and there's also a update. Probably you will have it as well. You can start the update now or update it later. But after all that, our robot is done, setup is done. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.